Hey, it's Garrick and welcome back to my channel. If you're first time here, I do reviews on Tesla accessories, cell phone accessories, and anything tech. So before I begin, I really do want to apologize. I did lose my voice. It's been some bug that's been going around. I'm not sure if you've seen a video I've done in the past. I've done a video on a Vicseed translucent console tray, and you can check out that video right up here. And it was a game changer. It was one of those trays where it was translucent, where you open up the center console and it lights up. You're able to see what's inside your console without having to turn the light on. Now, Vicseed has sent me over the new console set where it's actually all translucent. So not only for the front, but also for the rear as well. So we're gonna take a deep dive and take a look at what the set includes. And on top of that, we're gonna install into my Tesla Model Y to see how it looks. Now, if you don't know anything about Vicseed, they do make a lot of great mounts for your MagSafe accessories. If you don't have an iPhone, you can use an Android because they do supply the rings that you can use for your MagSafe mount. All right, let's go unbox this real quick. Let's hop into the car and let's go do this. So just to give you an idea, this is the package. It actually has 2 trays in this nice little small box here. As you can see here, it says Vicseed Tesla Center Console Set for the Tesla Model 3 and Model Y 2021 to current. All right, as you see here in the back, front console organizer. It also includes a cup holder and it also has the rear console organizer. All right, let's take a look. I like the packaging. Doesn't come in a generic brown box, which is great. Okay, as you can see here, comes with a nice cup holder, nice and soft. Looks like a soft silicone. Not too bad. All right, and let's take a look at this right over here. Just move this to the side. As you can see here, is a nice translucent tray. The silicone is removable, but you can protect your items here without sliding or scratching or hearing any sounds as you're driving. There's a little indentation right over here, allows you to plug in your cigarette adapter, where it runs everything underneath, where it wouldn't actually go into the tray. So when you try to take things in and out, it becomes really annoying. So this is a pretty nice design. And let's just look at the other one. This is the front console tray, just like the same tray that I presented a while back. Very nice cutout. Love the soft silicone. It's a great tray, especially the center console we probably use the most. It's translucent. You do have little gaps here that you can run wiring through it, which is great if you're looking to charge your iPhone or any other accessories. And as you can see here, it's partition, allowing you to slide a couple different things here. So for example, if I want to put on my sunglasses, that fits there as well. And it fits there too. So no matter how you want to set up, this is a pretty nifty, good setup here. I was pleased with the first tray when Vicseed came out with it initially, and I'm already pleased again. It is the same quality, touch and feel. All right, so let's get into the car. Let's get this installed and let's see how it looks. All right, so we're here in the car. We are going to install the cargo trays and also the cup holder. As you notice here on the silicone, they're all the same color, so it actually matches really nice. All right, let's start with the front center console. We lift this up here. I am gonna have to slide my tray up for my sexy buttons. Only reason because the tray would not slide in. So you can have it set up no matter which way you like it. You can go this way or you go this way, and it slides in real easy, real nice, as you can see here. And let's slide this back to its position. So as you can see here, the light is illuminated in the back, and this will illuminate throughout the whole tray. At night, it'll be actually easier to see, so it actually works out really well. Okay, and the next one we're gonna put in the cup holder. All right, looks pretty good, matches really well with the interior. And like I said, if you open up the cargo tray, the silicone does match. And for the next one, we are going to install into the back center console. And as you can see here, it fits perfect in this spot. Doesn't slide, it doesn't move. And as you can see, you have a nice little tray here. The light is lit back there. The tray is translucent, so the tray will light up, and it's gonna allow you to see some of the accessories or whatever things that you have laying around directly onto here. Now this is a great set. It's a great value. You can get this on Amazon. I'll have that link in my description below. And if you in the market for a new setup, definitely check them out. And if you are getting a Tesla or you order a Tesla that's on its way in, definitely get a set, because these are one of the first few accessories that most people usually do get. Don't forget to check out all their other cell phone accessories. Like for example, this MagSafe mount is for the cell phone, but I actually use it for my radar detector, and that's actually made by Vicseed. And as you can see here real quick, that magnet ring actually came with the kit, and it mounts really, really well onto my screen. All right, everybody, if you liked the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, anything you want me to review, please leave a comment below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please definitely do. You don't want to miss out on all the future content. And if you are a current subscriber, thank you for subscribing. All right, everybody, I'll catch you on the road.